Joan of Arc with Errol, our driver here in Sagada. We are after the sunset. After failing our first try, we are going to catch it today. And there are lots of people there and also up front who are making this pilgrimage to the sunset. Just look. Okay, you'll find us. You'll find us. Okay, so we're getting off from here and joining the crowd. We are, well, all right, sunset view. All right. I can see a setting cloud, and these are the crowds of people trying to get a view of the sunset. Well, what a day it is today. This morning we woke up at 3 o'clock and jumped off at 4 o'clock so that we could catch the sunrise at 6 o'clock, and now we're here. It's a clear day, and I hope the clouds will clear as well so that we could get a good view of the sunset. Patiently waiting for the sunset. Well, I think the sunset here is kind of overrated. There are mountains that block the view, clouds, also electrical wirings, more electrical poles down there, and of course lots of tourists. And the noise, I don't think it makes a good mood to watch the sunset this way. I've seen many other more spectacular sunsets. I hope this sunset lives up to its promise, or else it's just marketing hype. We'll see, we'll see. Well, we've come this far, so we'll see. It will still change, like mind changes. So maybe this one will change as well. It will still change into beautiful colors, I'm sure. I hope that it's equally as beautiful as the sunrise this morning. That was spectacular. The clouds are slowly clearing. I hope it clears even more when the sun hits the ridge. The crowd is definitely not clearing, although some have been disappointed this early and have already left. So that's a few people less. Okay, now the cloud is forming a silhouette of some sort. It's like, to me, it's like a man carrying a sack behind him, or a backpack. It looks like he's running. Look at that. That's entertaining. Now it's forming like a llama or a camel. Clouds. Sea of crowd. Well, the sunset is also the golden hour, one of the best times to take photos. Behind those clouds, behind the ridge, I can see a chicken on top of the ridge. Okay, I think that's the last of it. I'm sorry, but my favorite sunset is still at Danhugan, also in Bohol with the chocolate hills. This one is just clouds and mountains, so it's very common everywhere. Alright, I think we're done here. My review is overrated, but still lovely. Save for the crowds. Bye for now, until our next video. Like, share, and subscribe.